put in here at Water Street on the Hacking River, and I'm going to be heading down actually across all the way over to the Royal National Park side, and I'm going to give another sort of session for the Bream. I'm going to try the Cicada lures again. Got a bit of a paddle ahead of me because I couldn't get a park down at Wally's Wharf, so I just added an extra kilometre to my paddle. About 5 o'clock in the arvo, so it's a nice sort of time to be out. The sun's not as hot and burning, and yeah, pretty keen. So I'm going to be fishing into the dark, so obviously I've brought along a light. You can probably just see that behind me there, and I've also brought my headlamp just to make sure other boats and other watercraft can see me as I'm getting around the system. And also it helps a lot when you're catching a fish to be able to put your headlight on. The night tide that's coming up, it's only a small tide tonight, so I'm hoping when I get across that way that there's enough water covering the flat so that I can actually sneak my way in. Yeah. Oh, good one. Was it flatty? Came up on the surface. I'm not sure. It's heading out to deep water, so that's good. Something about that strike felt a bit more like a flatty to me. Oh, no, nice solid Bream. A really good one. Wow. There you go. Whoa, he's trying to get under my drive. Come on, mate. Oh, bloody thumper. Loving it. Come on, mate. Yeah. First of the evening. Yoo! How good is that? It's pretty good. That's what you get a bit excited about. Okay. Yeah, good stuff. All right, Tiemco. The fish are a little bit, they're like sizable, but they look really light, like they're almost not been eating, or they're super hungry. This guy's got like a really big head on him. He's probably mid-30s or something like that. Just power down. All right. Here she blows another really nice Bream. Tiemco soft shell, just in the black there. Actually quite like this style. He's got 2 sets of trebles, where my little atomic one that I've been catching them on is just the one set. So as you can see, the fish, they're a little bit lean looking from the back to me. Their bellies are not full at all. Maybe that's what they're pushing up on these flats, trying to get a nice feed of cicadas. Okay, I'm going to unhook him. And that's pretty cool. Pretty happy to see him come on. Okay, lure is off. It's not a bad fish. It's a 38 tipper. But like I said, a little bit skinny, a little bit lean. Like they need a good feed, these guys. All the same, great, and I'm really happy. That's the first fish. There he goes, he's sitting in there. And he's swimming away happily. Brilliant. That's all we want. Catch a few like that, send them on their way. Actually, I'll keep that net set up properly. Otherwise I'll be hearing from Mr. Deeth. He'll be saying, what the hell are you doing with that net? It's going to cost you a fish. So it could have then. So yeah, 38 tipper on the Tiemco soft shell. Pretty super happy about that. And like, where there's one, hopefully there's more. So that's that little lure. No rattle inside. It's just its actual action on the surface that attracts the bream to have a strike. And obviously all those cicadas back there in the trees. Alright, I'll get set up. And again, we talk about power poles. And just having the ability to push that down there and deal with the fish. Man, I didn't float away 200 or 300 metres while I was doing it. Yeah. Oh God, it's a Longtom. Come out of the water. Oi! God, how funny is that? Whoa, still on. Woo! Oh God, he's doing the jumping jack. Look at him go. Oh my God, that's hilarious. He's not happy. Not happy about being caught, but I'm more interested about getting my nice cicada back. Come on, mate. Still. Oh! That wasn't scripted. Yeah. I couldn't try and do that again if I tried. Trebs right to the. Gosh. Are you seeing that? Oh. One Longtom. We can go. But I've got a lovely cicada lure. Jeepers. Embedded in the old shin there. There you go. Woohoo! That's worth a look. Okay. Alright, so it's just a one treb. Two trebs. Wow, it's going to be fun. I'm just going to do the yow! Not every day that happens. I'm just trying to guide that fish around. As you could see, that's going to probably be caught on that footage. And he just comes straight out like a spear, like a big marlin. And with the cicada, trebles got straight into the muscle on the front of my shin there. Nothing too crazy. Just a little pinprick in the shin there, and that's as easy as that kind of stuff can happen. You know, like that's just an unusual thing to happen, right? But you just got to be aware and careful. And when you're on your own as well, could have been worse maybe. Anyway, he's released back in, rotten thing. Yeah, great strike. Yep. Oh, I pulled him. Well, that was another hit. Now I got in a bit closer with that cast, so maybe that's more like it. Okay, I'll get back in there, you never know, come back. Because so far I've had two swipes and 138 tipper. So I think as the tide pushes up more, it actually gets closer to dusk. It's about 7:10 now, so I'm going from last night. Didn't get dark till about 8:15 or something like that. And sometimes you do the old inverse the cap for the headlamp. Oh, damn, I should have let it bloop. Oh, oh, little guy. Tiny. Oh, you let it go. How funny. That's cool. Here's a little fella. Good looking snag in front of me here. Like a bass snag. Yeah, he would have been quite small fish. It's on the light 1 to 3 kilo stick. Just trying to get him out here in this little bit more deeper. Come on, buddy. I don't know if it's that sizable. Legal. Good stuff. Yeah, he's alright. It'd be just legal-ish, yeah. Good. Okay. Alright, there's this little bloke. He's just, yeah, there's been a few smaller fish. He's probably legal, yeah, I'd say he'd be, he's 27 centimetres. Again on the nice Tiemco, and he's just up in the shallows here, so pretty cool. Starting to get a little bit closer to dusk now. Okay, this guy off there. Okay, it's a little lure. Little wings folded in. Yeah. Nice healthy little fish. Punch him back in. See you, mate. Oh! Had a hit right as the light went on. Just a very light one. Well, that's going to end my session, guys. Sunsets happen. I'm on the kayak. I'm in the Hacking River. It's been a great little session. It's time to paddle back. I'll get back into where I launched earlier, down in Burraneer Bay. So I've got a few kilometres. I've gone about 4 k's at the moment. I've been out for a little while, 3 hours. 8:30. Love it. It's just so peaceful, except for those cicadas. It's been a pretty big night on the river with Christmas festivities and that. Lots of boats out, being a Saturday night. So yeah, anyway, one nice 38, a couple of smaller fish, a few missed fish. But it was just really to check whether, yeah, they're going to be as active on the chew, on the cicadas, on dusk, as they are in the morning. I think it has to do a little bit more with the tide, because this side of the hacking, you need a little bit more water, so the fish can probably get up in there a little bit easier. But yeah, great fun session all the same. I'll see you back here on the water next time.
Bye.